I used to absolutely hate English. To be honest, it was a complete nightmare for me. Every single time I had to speak, I would freeze out of pure fear. Hey guys, welcome back to English with KD7. I'm here to make your English learning journey simple, practical, and highly effective. So let's get started together right now. But look at me today, right now, I am standing here talking to you confidently. I genuinely love having conversation in this language now. So how did this massive transformation happen? That is exactly what I am going to share with you in this video. If you want to change your life too, stay curious and watch until the very end this video. I am going to share some highly practical steps that will completely transform your language journey. Yes, you heard me right. Especially if you are an absolute beginner. Let's jump straight into it. My first advice to you is very simple. Take that very first step. When you are a beginner, your mind easily gets flooded with thoughts of failure. You consistently ask yourself, what if I can do it? What if I fail to speak properly? This fear of failing before you even start is the biggest obstacle for every single new learner. But you need to realize something important. You cannot fail if you just keep moving forward. English is a beautiful natural language, not a mountain that you cannot climb. When you start, please do not pressure yourself to memorize complex grammar rules. Yes, when I began my journey, I didn't open heavy grammar books. I did not sit down to memorize tenses. Yes, I simply started speaking with whatever words I knew. As you speak, your brain automatically figures out how to improve. And I just started. Trust the process and just start talking. The second step is to observe and describe your environment. This is a powerful technique for beginners. Look around yourself right now and try to describe what you see using simple English words. Like simple sentence. For example, look at my surroundings today. I can see beautiful trees all around me. I can vividly hear the sweet chirping of the birds as they fly freely across the sky. The sky looks wonderful, clear, and blue today because it is summertime. Some leaves are gently falling to the ground, and the trees are slowly losing their thick greenery. When you practice describing small real life things like this, your mind stop overthinking. If you feel nervous speaking to strangers, find a close friend, talk to someone who supports you and will not make fun of your mistakes. Even when you are alone at your office or college, try to run a quiet commentary in your mind in English. It will feel challenging at first, but give your brain the time and patience it needs to adapt to this new habit. My third point is crucial. Never be afraid of making mistakes. And I do also. Mistakes are not your enemies. In fact, they are your greatest helpers. Just look back at your life. Think about the time you first learned how to ride a bicycle. Didn't you fall down multiple times? Didn't you wobble and get a few scratches? Of course you did. Every single time you learn a brand new skills, making mistakes is completely unavoidable. When you make mistakes in English, it is actually a beautiful sign. It proves that you are actually actively trying to build something meaningful. However, you must follow the fourth rules. Do not repeat the exact same mistakes over and over. Pay close attention to your speech. Notice where your face difficulties. Are you fumbling because of a specific word? Are you getting stuck with a forming sentence? Write these points down in a dedicated notebook or keep a clear mental note of them. Once you identify your weak spots, concisely work on fixing them. The next time you practice, I can absolutely guarantee you one thing. If you practice with this specific method consistently, you will see a massive shift in your fluency. Within 4 to 5 months, you will speak with the same confidence that you see in others today. That's true. If this video brought real value to your journey, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and support my work. If you support me, I will keeping bringing the best guidance to help you master this language. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned and stay dedicated, and goodbye. See you around in next video, friends, with another idea. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you so much for watching this video.